In this video, you know about how much does a bag of mulch cover. You have to figure out the coverage of one bag of mulch in a square footage. And you know that mulch is layer of material applied over the soil surface to increase the soil conservation, the moisture content of the soil and the fertility of soil. And what is the volume of one bag of mulch? One bag of mulch, most of one bag of mulch sold in 2 cubic foot bag. Remember this. It means the volume of one bag is about 2 cubic foot, and you have to figure out the coverage of mulch in a square footage. The coverage in a square footage. How we figure out the coverage in square footage? There are formula to calculate the coverage in square footage. You divide the volume of one bag of mulch divided by the depth of the mulch layer, and generally the depth of the mulch layer range between 1 inches to 4 inches. It means depth of mulch may be 1 inches, 2 inches, 3 inches, or either 4 inches. And what are the coverage at 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, and 4 inch of mulch? First, we figure out the coverage at 1 inch of mulch. Then the total volume of mulch, that is 2 cubic foot bag. 2 divided by 1 inch, it means 1 by 12 foot. This will 2 multiply 12 divided by 1. This will come about 24 square foot. It means at 1 inch deep, one bag of mulch will cover about 24 square footage. And what are the coverage in square footage at 2 inch deep? At 2 inch deep layer, the 2 divided by 2 by 12, this will come about 2 multiply 12 divided by 2, which is equal as 12 square footage. That means at 2 inch deep, a one bag of 2 cubic foot of mulch will cover about 12 square foot area. And now calculate the coverage at 3 inch deep. The total volume, the 2 cubic foot bag divided by 3 by 12, this will come about 2 multiply 12 divided by 3, this will come about 8 square footage. Means at 3 inch deep, a one bag of 2 cubic foot volume of mulch will cover about 8 square footage area. And now calculate the coverage at 4 inch deep. 4 inch deep, the 2 cubic foot volume of one bag divided by 4 by 12, that is 2 multiply 12 divided by 4, and this will come about 6 square footage. Means at 4 inch deep, a one bag of mulch, that is 2 cubic foot, will cover about 6 square footage area. And this one is the coverage area of mulch at different depth for one bag of mulch. Thank you.